Hi everyone, and welcome to today's pranayama practice where we're going to be practicing Bhastrika Pranayama, also known as bellows breath. So this pranayama technique will help you to reduce stress, increase your energy levels and clear any mental fog or sluggishness that you might be experiencing. We're going to spend about 5 minutes here, and you can continue after the video at your own pace with another 11 rounds, but for this video we're going to be practicing 11 rounds just to get you familiar with the technique. So as soon as you're ready, coming into a comfortable seated position, you can come onto your knees if you like, or any meditative asana that suits you. Place the hands on the knees with the palms facing down to ground down, or your palms facing up to receive energy. Close off your eyes as you grow tall through the spine, sitting up nice and straight, slightly drawing the chin into the chest, creating Jalandhara Bandha or your chin lock. And we're going to begin for the first minute just breathing naturally, checking in with your body and your mind, and becoming familiar with your breath. Trying to inhale and exhale through the nose. Take the breath all the way down to the belly as you feel the belly expand. And exhale as you draw the belly in towards the spine, slightly contracting the muscles in the abdomen region. And slowly opening up your eyes. So as we practice Bhastrika Pranayama, the inhales and exhales are going to be at the same force. So we're going to be taking inhales through the nose into the diaphragm region, and as we exhale we're going to contract the muscles in the belly. So inhale as we expand through the belly and the diaphragm region, and exhale as we forcefully contract the muscles in the belly. And again, you can place the hands on the knees with the palms facing down, activating the chin lock or Jalandhara Bandha, just to help you to grow that little bit taller through the spine. And awareness can be on the heart center if you like. And then I'll begin by showing you 2 rounds of Bhastrika Pranayama, just so that you know how it looks and sounds. So I'm going to begin. So each breath is going to be over the duration of about a second. And you want the same force on the inhales and exhales. So as soon as you're ready, we'll start. And begin inhaling, exhale. And then stop. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Pause for a moment as you just gather up the knowledge of what's happened internally for you after practicing your 11 rounds. Take a couple of minutes just to rest in this state, complete silence and stillness. Soften through the shoulders and the jaw. Soften the entire face. Allow the lower body to melt down into the earth. Perhaps noticing internal waves of peace. Maybe feeling a sense of spaciousness that's been created within. And when you're ready, slowly blink open the eyes. Feel free to continue with another 11 rounds or build it up gradually. You can also add in kumbhaka or breath retention into this practice. I hope that helps to reduce some of your stress and up your energy levels, and I'll see you all soon.